Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, we are going to learn how to send course details to students on WhatsApp on form submission. Okay, so before starting the video, let's first understand what are the software applications I am going to use here. Okay, so I am using 𝗏𝗏𝗆 here. So let me tell you that 𝗏𝗏𝗆 is an online form builder from where you can create your online custom forms and use them in various ways. So here I am using 𝗏𝗏𝗆 for form submissions. The idea is the form which I have created with 𝗏𝗏𝗆, my students can use this form to fill and from there I can get their details. Okay, so here I am using 𝗏𝗏𝗆. You can also use any other form builder such as Pabbly Form Builder, Typeform instead of 𝗏𝗏𝗆, or you can even use any payment gateway here. Okay, and the next application here I am using is WhatsApp to send the messages. As you know, WhatsApp is a famous chat application. Now, the thing is, let us understand this process with an example. So here let's suppose I am a teacher, okay, and I run some classes. Now what I want to do is, whenever a person or a student is going to fill this form which I have created from 𝗏𝗏𝗆, whenever the student is going to fill the form, I want to send a message to them onto their WhatsApp with course detail or basically the brochure of my classes. Okay, but the thing here is, if I'm going to perform this task manually, it is going to take a lot of time, it will consume a lot of time, and it is also very tiresome. Why? Because if hundreds of students are continuously going to submit the form which I have created, I'm going to receive hundreds of responses and I have to sort out all the details, and then I'm going to keep on sending messages manually on WhatsApp. But this is really unmanageable. So that is why I wanted to create some automation. Okay, so what I want here is, whenever a form is submitted into 𝗏𝗏𝗆, a message will be sent to the student on their WhatsApp automatically. But the issue here is, 𝗏𝗏𝗆 and WhatsApp do not have any native integration or any direct contact. So how I'm going to do this? I need to create some integration between them, create some automation between them so that I can perform this task. So here, to create that automation only, I am going to use a software named as Pabbly Connect. So here Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which is going to build an integration between 𝗏𝗏𝗆 and WhatsApp. So here what will happen is, when a form is submitted by a student into 𝗏𝗏𝗆, a message will be sent to that student on their WhatsApp automatically. Isn't it wonderful that just with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to reduce the manual task which we were going to perform. So here the best part is, to use Pabbly Connect, you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. It is actually very easy to use. Any non-technical person can also use Pabbly Connect really very easily. So let us understand this complete process, that how I'm going to build that integration with the help of Pabbly Connect on my screen along with a real-time example. Okay guys, so this is the dashboard of 𝗏𝗏𝗆. Here I've already created my account, and with the help of 𝗏𝗏𝗆, I have created these custom online forms. So here you can see all the forms which I have created are visible into my account. Further in the video, I am going to tell you that how you can also create forms using 𝗏𝗏𝗆. So here is the form which I am using for my coaching classes. So let me show you. This is the form here. So the name of my coaching classes is Success Coaching Classes. So here is the complete form. Now here the idea is, whenever a student or whenever any person is going to fill this form and submit it, I want to send a message to them onto their WhatsApp with the course details. Now here what I am going to do is, I am going to show you as an example how this process is actually going to work. So for this I am going to fill this application form and then I am going to submit it. And then we will check on WhatsApp if the message is sending or not. So here are all the details of a person which I completely filled here. Now I'm going to submit the application. Now as you can see, the form is submitted. Let's check on WhatsApp if the message is sending or not. So here, perfect. As you can see, here is the message for Zoya Khan. It was our student. She was our student. Hi Zoya Khan. Now here you can see the file is also attached. So from here the student can download the course file and see it. And here is the complete message. Thank you for showing your interest in Success Coaching Classes. We have attached the detailed course and everything is here. So now this is the gist of the process, that whenever a student is going to submit this form with all the details filled here, he or she is going to receive a message on WhatsApp immediately. Now here you must be thinking, how did I manage to perform this task? How did I create this automation between WhatsApp and Jot form? That too automatically. Now here let me tell you that to create this automation, I followed 3 very simple steps and created this workflow between WhatsApp and Jot form. So let me show you what are those steps so you can also follow the same and create this workflow. Okay guys, so these are the steps which I followed to create the workflow between Jot form and WhatsApp. So here the step 1 is connect Jot form to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So here first we need to log in into Pabbly Connect, and then we need to connect our Jot form account with Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So this webhook URL is basically an address provided by Pabbly Connect. We have to copy it from here and paste it into our Jot form account, and this way our Jot form account will get connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here in the second step, we have to collect the data from Jot form in Pabbly Connect. Now here, as our Jot form account is connected with Pabbly Connect, we have to we have to collect the data from Jot form to Pabbly Connect. For example, if a student is going to fill my coaching classes form, that same data is going to get captured here into Pabbly Connect automatically. So here in this way it will collect all the data automatically. Now here in the third step, we have to send the same data to Vati for sending messages on WhatsApp. Now here what we have to do is the data which is collected into Pabbly Connect from Jot form, we have to transfer the same data into Vati so that we can send message on WhatsApp. Now here your obvious question will be, Vati, what is Vati and why are we using it? So here let me tell you that Vati is the official API for WhatsApp. Why? Because we cannot send messages directly on WhatsApp. So to connect it with Pabbly Connect, we have to use a software which is Vati. Here we are using Vati to connect WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect. So further in the video, I'll tell you in detail about Vati. So here the thing is, these are all the easy steps which we are going to use to create this workflow. So let us understand this complete process on my screen. So keep watching till last so that you can get the idea how this process is going to work. Okay guys, so to start with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser, Pabbly, pabbly.com. So here you can see this is the website of pabbly.com. Now here on the products, we have to click on connect. So after clicking on connect, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. We are using Pabbly Connect, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here I'm going to click on sign in, as I have already created my account into Pabbly Connect. If you are a fresher or if you are a new user, you can also create your account just by signing up for free in 2 minutes from here. Now here I'm going to click on sign in, and here you can see this all apps window will appear. So to continue making with the workflow, here I'm going to scroll down, and at connect I'm going to click on access now. So after clicking on access now, you can see this dashboard will appear, and here at the top right corner I'm going to click on this button, create workflow. Okay, so this dialog box will appear. So basically it is asking us to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give it as Jot form to WhatsApp according to our topic. Okay, Jot form to WhatsApp. You can also give it according to your choice as well. So here I'm going to click on create. Now as you can see, our workflow name is created, and this window will appear, and here you can see these 2 boxes, trigger and action. Now you must be thinking, what are trigger and action? So here I would like to explain you that automation works on the concept of trigger and action. So here the trigger means when this happen, or basically happening of an event, and the action means response to that event, or you can say do this. So let's understand it better according to our topic. So the trigger here will be when a form is submitted into Jot form. It will be our trigger, and the action will be send a message on WhatsApp. Now let's understand this practically. So here in the choose app, I'm going to choose Jot form. Perfect. And after this, I'm going to choose the trigger event, which is new response. So once I select the trigger event, you can see this webhook URL is provided by Pabbly Connect, along with this instruction that open your form in the form builder, click on the settings tabs, go to the integration, search for the webhook and paste the above URL in webhook field. Perfect. So now here for this, we need to log in into our Jot form. So here, as I told you, this is the dashboard. I have already created my accounts. You can also create your account. And if you wish to create your forms, you have to click on create form. And from here, you can create your online custom forms. Perfect. And you can also customize them, edit them from this option. So here is my coaching classes form. I'm going to click on edit form. And from here, the thing you can do is you can add the logo of your business into your form. And from this option, add form element, you can add elements into your form. Similarly, I have added some elements into my forms as well. So here my form is completely ready. I just need to connect it with Pabbly Connect. So for this, I'm going to click on the settings tab. Here at left side, I'm going to click on integrations. And at integrations, I am going to click on webhooks. And then I'm going to click on edit integration. And then I'm going to remove this already existing webhook. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this webhook which is provided just now by Pabbly Connect. So I just copied it simply. You have to do the same as well. And then I'm going to paste it here. So once it is pasted, I'm going to click on complete integration, and now here you can see after the integration is completed, my 𝗏𝙗𝗆 account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. And now it has started waiting for the webhook response. Now we need to enter the data here into our form so that that same data will be captured here into Pabbly Connect. So here I'm just going to enter the data for another student. So for example, let's keep it as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. So these are all the details of 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, and here is all the details. Now I'm just going to click on submit application. Now as you can see, it is submitted. Let's check on Pabbly Connect if the same data is captured or not. So perfect, here you can see the same data is collected. The student was 𝗪𝗵𝘆, his email, his phone number, everything is captured here. Perfect. Now let's move on to our second step. So here in the choose application, in the action window, I'm going to choose Vati. So as I told you, we are using Vati to send messages on WhatsApp. So here, after selecting the action event as send template message, we need to click on connect. Now as you can see, we need to connect our Vati account. So for this, I'm going to click on add new connection. And here I'm going to provide the API endpoint as well as access token. So now you must be thinking, what are this API endpoint and access token? So let me tell you that these are the keys which we need to provide here. Let's read from the help text from where we can get these. So it is written, navigate to top on your Vati dashboard, click on hamburger icon, then click on API docs to find your API endpoint. Same goes for access token. So let me show you the Vati dashboard here. This is the Vati dashboard. Here I've already created my account and started using Vati to send messages on WhatsApp. So there's a link provided into the description of this video. You can follow the same link and see the video that how you can also create your account into Vati and start using it to send messages on WhatsApp. So here my account is already ready. You can see the overview from here. I can manage all the tasks of my Vati account. So I just need to connect it with Pabbly Connect. So let us find the API endpoint. So from this option here, I'm going to click on API docs. Okay, near dashboard API docs, you can see both of the keys are available. So the first one was API endpoint. I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Perfect. And then we need to copy the access token as well, and we need to paste them here as well. Perfect. So now as I'm clicking on save, you can see my Vati account is now successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. And here you can see once it is connected, these fields will appear. And here you can see we need to map data. Now you must be thinking, what is mapping and how it actually works? So let me tell you that the data which was captured here into Pabbly Connect from 𝗏𝙗𝗆, for example, this student's name, phone number, email, everything, that same data will be available here from the drop down actually. So what you need to do is you just need to click once and this data is going to enter here automatically according to the field asked. Now here the first field is WhatsApp number. So before mapping the WhatsApp number, let me read the instruction provided here. So it is saying enter a valid WhatsApp number with country code without plus sign. Okay, so here it means in Vati it does not accept the plus sign. So we have to provide a 10-digit valid WhatsApp number along with the country code, but we have to exclude the plus sign. So here I already provided the same instruction into my form as well. Okay, provide the mobile number with country code without symbol, and here that is why the same data is available here. So this is how mapping works. You can see this same phone number is available here as well. So this process, this is how mapping works. So our WhatsApp number is mapped. Now let's move on to second step, which is template message. So here as my Vati account is now connected with Pabbly Connect, you can see all the templates which are available into my Vati accounts are visible here. So you must be thinking, what are templates? So for this, let's move on to the Vati dashboard. Here, let me show you what are templates basically. So here at broadcast, this option template messages, you can see these are all the available templates of my account. So basically templates are predefined messages which we need to create from Vati so that we can send them on WhatsApp. So here I already created various templates into my account to use. And if you wish to create the template, you can create them from here. So for this, you need to click on this option, create a new template message. And then you need to provide the template name, category, and you need to provide the body of the template. So body basically means the complete message you are planning to send. For example, if you want to send a message for order confirmation, you need to provide the body according to your orders. For example, hello dear, your order is confirmed, and you need to provide all the details. In this way, your body will be ready. Now here you need to click on save as draft. Now once your template is saved as draft, you need to get it approved from WhatsApp so that you can start using it. So the status here will be shown as draft. To get it approved, you need to submit your template from this arrow options. And basically approval takes a time of 30 minutes to 2 business days. So once it is approved, then you can start using it. So here is the template which I am going to use is send brochure. Let me show you. So the template name I have provided is send brochure, and I have provided a link here of the file which I am sending. Basically it is of my course detail. Now here is the complete message. Hi, the name of my student. Thank you for your interest. The name of my coaching classes and everything. Now here you would have noticed one thing, that I have provided some values between double curly braces. So your obvious question will be, what are they? Further in the video, I'm going to tell you what are they basically. Let me tell you in short that these are the variables, and they are going to keep on changing along with every new student. So if various students are filling the form, they are going to keep on changing according to the student's detail. So here let me just select the template first, which was send brochure. This one, not send brochure. This one. Now here the second thing is broadcast name. So broadcast name, I'm just going to provide the student's full name, Cherry, space. Again, I'm going to map the surname as well, Matthew. So here the use of broadcast is basically, let me show you. At broadcast history, you can check the status of all the messages sending from the broadcast. So it's just that, nothing more. So now here the last step is custom parameters. So this is the most important step of your complete workflow. Here you need to pay attention. Now here we need to provide custom parameters. So custom parameters, let me show you my template, then you will get the idea what are they basically. So here at my template, you can see these are the available variables here. So these are only called the custom parameter. We need to map them here. We need to give the name of our custom parameter, and we need to map the value to actually get it worked. So here, let's count how many custom parameters are there into my template. The first one is name, the second one is school name, the third one is file name, and the fourth one is website link. Perfect. So here we need to provide the custom parameters. So here you can see at this help text, this format is available. We need to provide the custom parameters into this format only. So what I'm going to do now is basically I'm just going to copy this format, and I'm going to paste it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because there were 4 templates into there were 4 parameters into my Vati template. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now here you can see this is just an example of name, value, blue color, and the value is blue. I'm just going to rename everything. So the first parameter here is name. So here what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write the name, okay, and the value of name will be the student's name. So here the student is Jerry. So this is how our first parameter is ready. The name of my first parameter was name itself, and the value is the student's first name. Now here the second parameter is school name. So here I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it same here, which was school underscore name. You need to be very careful while mapping the custom parameters. So that is why. And in the place of value, I'm going to write success coaching classes. Success coaching classes. Why? It is the name of my coaching classes. Success coaching classes. Okay, now here the difference between mapping and manually typing data is, while we map the data, it is going to keep on changing along with every new student. But once I'm giving the name such as the school name, coaching classes name, manually they are going to keep remain same for every student. So that is why I'm providing them manually. Now here the third one is file name. So again I'm just going to copy it into the same format. It is file underscore name, and I'm going to paste it here in the third parameter value. Okay, and the file name is course registration. Sorry, not course registration, basically it is course description. Course description. Now the third parameter is ready. Let's see the fourth parameter. It is website link. Perfect. So here I'm going to again remove this example and I'm going to write website link here. Website link underscore link. Now here in the value I'm going to provide the website link, which is www.demo.com. Perfect. So this is how our custom parameters are ready. First, second, third, fourth. You can also do now here the thing is you have to provide the custom parameters according to your template. They were according to mine, and here if anything else was provided according to your templates, there can be like location, date, time, email. So you need to provide them here as well. Now here you can see everything is ready. Now we are going to save and click on save and send test request, and then we will check on WhatsApp if the message is sending onto this number or not. So here I'm just going to click on save and send test request, and now you can see here the response is received, and it basically means the message is sent. So let's check on WhatsApp. Perfect. Here you can see this is the message for Jerry. Thank you for showing your interest in success coaching classes, and here is the complete detail here. And here one more thing, you can see this is the course file attached here. So it means we have created the workflow. Now let us check it on real time if it is working smoothly or not. So for this, here again I'm going to make a submission for a new student, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message is sending instantly or not. So here again I'm going to provide, for example, some details here. So let's keep for Tina. So Tina George is the student. Okay, let me just edit some details. Okay, and here the form is ready. Now let's submit the application, and now once it is submitted, you can see it is the submission has received. Now let us check on WhatsApp directly if the message to Tina George is sent or not. So here let me check. Okay, so let's check here. Perfect. Here is the message for Tina. Hi Tina, thank you for showing interest in success coaching classes. And here you can see this is the course file attached here, and again you can see this is the complete message. And this is how, let me show you one more thing, that custom parameters work, that this message was for Tina, this was for Jerry, so they are keep on changing automatically. So this means we have successfully created the workflow between JotForm and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect, and it is working perfectly fine and smoothly. So let's do a short recap what we actually did. So here we first integrated our JotForm account with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL, and we captured all the data. And then in the second step, to send messages on WhatsApp, we connected Vati account with Pabbly Connect, and after that we mapped all the data which was already available into Pabbly Connect. And this way our workflow was created. And here I would like to tell you one more amazing thing, that the link of the same workflow is available into the description of this video. You can copy the same link and start using this workflow into your Pabbly Connect account just for free. Isn't it wonderful? Not just these applications, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. This was all for today's video. If you have any feedback, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also ask your queries at this link here. And if you want to check the price for Pabbly Connect, you can check the price from here, this link, and automate your business. If you like our video, do not forget to press the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.